So far, we've been talking about our mitochondria, how important our mitochondria is to our body, how important it is to youthing, and especially how important it is to our conscious biohealing, raising our vibrational level so that Ma can put in the highest vibration and we can hold these in our body. We were talking about degenerative diseases and how mitochondria can become damaged, or they can have loss of function, or the mitochondria can decrease in the amount, and that affects certain areas, especially of the brain. Let's change and let's talk about all the positive things that we can do for our mitochondria. Our bodies are very powerful. If we take in healthy foods like you are with these 21 days, our mitochondria regenerate. Regeneration of our mitochondria regenerates our cells, which regenerates our organs, which regenerates our body. The importance of what we can do for our mitochondria is not overemphasized. So number one, let's get plenty of sleep. When we sleep, our bodies detoxify. When they detoxify, they also take in nutrients. In fact, the brain shrinks just a tiny bit when we sleep, enough for fluid to move around so that it moves out of the brain into other parts of our body to eventually detoxify. The nerve cells of our body actually make beta amyloid in response to a pathogen or a bacteria. This beta amyloid gets taken out of the body when the brain is detoxing at night. For some individuals, though, the beta amyloid doesn't get removed and can build up in the brain. And that beta amyloid in the brain may be one factor in the Alzheimer's because it's affecting the mitochondria that are so important in the brain. The next thing that we can do is move our bodies. There's a rule that the mitochondria increase in size and function when they have so little bit of stress. So by exercising our bodies, exercising even our minds, we help to build mitochondria and increase the function of our mitochondria. Yoga, Tai Chi, Qigong, dancing, anything will help our mitochondria. The interesting thing about our mitochondria is it makes its own melatonin in every cell of our body. We think about melatonin in our pineal gland, the seat of consciousness, and how important having high amounts of mitochondria and having high amounts of melatonin is in our seat of consciousness. However, mitochondria make melatonin everywhere. So the question is, why does our body make melatonin in our mitochondria? Well, our mitochondria, when it's transforming energy, gives off some free radicals. And free radicals cause damage. The neat part about it is that melatonin is one of the most powerful antioxidants in the body. As a powerful antioxidant, it helps the mitochondria with the free radicals, and the free radicals are gone. Melatonin is even found in plants, in the chloroplasts of plants and in the mitochondria, but it's also found in any organism, bacteria included, that have a mitochondria. What are other ways that we can help our mitochondria? Well, we talked about the EMFs that are unnatural, that affect the mitochondria in our body. The natural light, as well as walking in nature, rejuvenate our mitochondria and help increase mitochondria in our body. Drinking clear water, eating healthy food, and even healthy food that have mitochondria in it is beneficial. I want to talk about two different powerful ingredients in plants that are beneficial for our mitochondria. One of them is found in extra virgin olive oil. It's called hydroxytyrosol. And hydroxytyrosol stimulates the mitochondria to help them develop, to help with growth, and help with extreme function. So extra virgin olive oil is very beneficial. The second one is my favorite because it's actually found in stardust. It helps the mitochondria, and it affects the genes that stimulate the mitochondria growth and stimulate more mitochondria and repair mitochondria. This is actually named pyrrolinoquinone, or PQQ for short. It's found in stardust. It's in our bodies right now. But the amazing thing is it repairs the mitochondria, and it helps increase the numbers of mitochondria as well as function. Where do we find PQQ? Actually, PQQ is found in many foods. The biggest amount is found in natto. Natto is fermented soybeans. In Japan, there is so much out there of fermented soybeans called natto. I found it in 7-Elevens. It's one of the most healthiest foods for your mitochondria. Other healthy foods include parsley, pepper, potatoes, carrots, also kiwi, papaya, tofu, and spinach. So all of these things you are taking in right now in your 21 days. You are helping your mitochondria. You are helping longevity, and you are helping your body at its highest vibrational rate so that you can be your highest person. Thank you very much.